Imagine unlocking an iPhone you've owned for years and finding it suddenly feels faster without buying new hardware. That is one of the biggest promises Apple is making with iOS 27, the latest software update unveiled at WWDC 2026. According to Apple, iOS 27 focuses on three major areas: performance, design refinement, and a completely reimagined Siri experience. And for many users, the speed improvements could be the most important change of all. Apple says it has redesigned the CPU scheduler and optimized how apps are handled in memory. As a result, applications can launch up to 30% faster, while AirDrop transfers may complete up to 80% quicker. Even older devices, including models dating back to the iPhone 11, are expected to benefit from these performance upgrades. The company is also refining its controversial liquid glass interface. Introduced last year, the design received mixed reactions, especially regarding readability. With iOS 27, users can finally adjust transparency levels themselves, making the interface easier to read while keeping the signature glass-like aesthetic. New app icons and larger home screen widgets are also part of the visual refresh. But the headline feature is undoubtedly Siri AI. Apple has rebuilt Siri into a more conversational assistant that feels much closer to modern AI chatbots. The new Siri can understand what's currently on your screen, interact with apps, answer questions about photos or websites, and even maintain ongoing conversations through a dedicated Siri app. Apple is combining on-device AI processing with Google Gemini integration while emphasizing user privacy. Beyond AI, iOS 27 introduces stronger parental controls, improved spotlight search, enhanced camera capabilities, and personalized audio adjustments for AirPods. The real test, however, begins when users install the update themselves. If Apple delivers on its promises, iOS 27 could become the software release that finally makes older iPhones feel new again. What feature are you most excited about in iOS 27? Faster performance, customizable liquid glass, or the all-new Siri AI? Let us know in the comments.